Make a great choice today with the 2018 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, stability control, remote engine start, remote power door locks, front license plate bracket, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.